What it do, YouTube? We here in the daytime. We going through the city, man. We on West End. We about to head through downtown Nashville. We about to see what the vibes is like. But hey, I hope y'all doing well, prospering. Haven't heard anything back about Stream University. Do anybody know when the stream is to announce who will be attending the university? We have inquiring minds that would like to know. I'm trying out different views for the gaze cluster. So just trying it out. So I end up, you really can't see it right now. I went pink because this is pink. And it got a little, you feel me? It go pink with it. So, just trying it out. It probably look better in the nighttime. Feel me? But we just doing a little daytime run real quick. I just got me some good eats. I got Chili's. Got me a smash burger I'm about to smash on. If you was on my stream last night, I know I sold in Madden. I know. But I was playing against people who want to get the bills and stuff. So 0-3 last night, but that's cool. What was I about to say? Twins, almost twins. The Spurs need to be investigated. Ain't no way you up 29 points in the first half and y'all don't know how to maintain a lead. Like, at a certain point, you can't keep shooting threes. Like, I understand you was hot the first half, but after you up so much, your mindset should be layups and free throws. 3-pointers is a last option, not the first option. That should have been the halftime discussion. We got a big lead. This is how we maintain it. It is not keep doing what we did in the first half. Like, that's just, you keep doing what you do in the first half when it's a close game. When you're up that big, you don't keep doing what you're doing. You're playing to win, not playing not to lose. But hey, people blaming the coach. I seen some people, I can tell they didn't really watch the game. They were like, well, he didn't call a timeout until they was only up by 4 points. I was like, nah, he called timeout when it went from 29 to 22. He called timeout when it went from 17 to 15. He called multiple timeouts. What he said in the timeouts is a whole different conversation. I'm not sure what was said. But at a certain point, it is, how do we stop this comeback? And it's like, it's easier said than done, but it's like, y'all got the talent to do the simpler things that is said. But yeah, we on Broadway right now. Yeah, things just turned to Broadway. Yeah. iPhone. iOS 27 came up, developers. Wasn't much changes to it. A few changes, but it wasn't much. More AI stuff. Some Apple, I say, interfaces changed, such as the wallet out. Well, not really that wallet out, but when you do Apple Pay, it's a new interface. I ain't gonna lie, the Audi and the Lamb truck are the same car. I ain't gonna lie, Human Fall look like an old church. And then literally across the street, it is the old church. That stuff crazy. I think that church got a basketball gym in it. Him and Fall used to practice in this church. And then they used to go to Nashville, at least somewhere. I hear him, but I don't see him. Here they go. I ain't even police. This is a funeral home. Thank you for ruining our red light. No green light. I ain't gonna even say that. Hey, RP to them. They hopped out the truck. I ain't gonna lie, I seen somebody before hop in the funeral line. Like, they didn't even know the family. But they just hopped in because they was running red lights. Like, something like that. Like, y'all running red lights? I'm running with y'all in real life. I don't know what's going on. On my way down here to go get my food, I seen an ambulance with somebody, like parked on the sidewalk. Now I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's some flashing red lights down there. I'm trying to get a green light. Who changed up these traffic signals where it's green light, then turn signal? Then it used to be the opposite way around. It was turn signal, then green lights. But I ain't gonna lie, Nashville be packed on weekdays during the daytime, not just nights. Like, y'all tours be coming out. But this like the time where you can bring, like, this is the kid-friendly time. Like, bars and stuff are open, but you can bring your kids because they serving food and stuff. You got the Apple Store. Ready to see what the new iPhone look like. iPhone can make the smallest changes. I'm getting a new iPhone. I ain't gonna lie, at nighttime, drunk people be just walking across the street knowing it's a green light and they be trying to hurry and run across. Like, man, you know, chill out before you get ran over. And they be thinking they can't be touched. Like, y'all ain't seen somebody get hit with a car before. Not advocating for violence, but I'm just saying. That's the fire department. They got the party buses out and everything. Like, where we at, girl? I don't know. It says 3rd Avenue. Where was right? I'm saying it was slippery or too close to a car. I should have ran it. But I ain't trying to fight with this truck. No, I don't never see them at night, but during the day, they out. I wonder what other cities, outside of New York and LA, what other cities look like this on a random weekday. Nothing special is going on. Like, give an example. NFL draft, special moment. ESPN's here, they renting out bars. I was watching ESPN one day. It was 8 o'clock in the morning during the draft. A bar was already open. You looking concerned, like, should I walk, should I not walk? You should have waited. It was 8 o'clock in the morning. Bar opened up for ESPN television show. It was like a radio show that was being televised. And it was 2 people in the background drinking a beer. 8 a.m. God dang, they doing so much work here. It makes no much sense how much traffic it is. It's 1:30. Well, construction workers got tents. They said, I'll be dang. Give me a tent to stand under. E-class, ain't it? Construction work on a bike. Well, got his tools in his pockets. Come on, you ain't been in that lane anyways. Where's that lane open? Well, it's packed at the parking lot for the State Juvenile Correctional Facility. And then you got the Titan Stadium. Look at that thing. Boy, it look way more massive than the old Titan Stadium. Yeah. Well, I appreciate y'all joining me on this little ride while I got my lunch and heading back to my destination. Hey, I'm going to catch up with y'all next time. Godspeed.